Hello everyone, it's a beautiful day here at the BYU Family History Library. We'll be reviewing the process of downloading a small group of individuals from FamilySearch into a genealogy software like Roots Magic 7 or Legacy Family Tree 9. So why would this process be helpful? Well, someone may ask you for help downloading a GEDCOM file from FamilySearch. You may be writing a family history and find it more helpful to organize the information in a genealogy software. Or you may be focusing your research on a specific family line with a conflicting information, and you need a space where you can mess with it, the tree, to help resolve the conflict. For years, we've heard about uploading a GEDCOM file or saving a GEDCOM file or sharing a GEDCOM file. What exactly is a GEDCOM file? Well, GEDCOM is a software, and the name stands for Genealogical Data Communication. This software was developed by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints in 1999, and it was a game-changing way for genealogy software programs to share genealogical information. No longer were we taking all of our great-aunts' family group sheets and copying them at the store. We could simply share a GEDCOM file with each other. The GEDCOM file format, or a form of it, is still used today by genealogy software programs to transfer information from one program to another. I mentioned creating a GEDCOM file. There is no way to create a GEDCOM file directly from FamilySearch. We use genealogy software to download information from FamilySearch. Once the information is in our genealogy software, then we can create the GEDCOM to share with others or to upload to websites like TreeSeek or GeniaNet. We'll begin with Roots Magic. First, begin a new file by selecting File or the white paper square icon. We name the file. Now we go back and we select the word File again. From the File drop-down menu, we can choose FamilySearch Central. At this point, we select Import. And we choose our starting individual, the individual we want to start a tree with. Sometimes that's ourselves, and sometimes that's a person that we're related to or possibly not related to. And we also choose the number of generations to import, up and down. You may be asked to sign into FamilySearch depending on how long ago you used the FamilySearch Central portion of Roots Magic 7. Here's the Monroe family populated in Roots Magic 7, with James Monroe listed as a child on this screen. James F. Monroe did not have any sources listed in FamilySearch. However, his father was listed with 13 sources. Unfortunately, this process of importing information from FamilySearch into a genealogy software strips the sources from that information. To move those sources over from FamilySearch, we return to the FamilySearch Central and select Share Data. Selecting the Share Data option opens the FamilySearch Person tools. From this page, we select Sources. Now we can see Buzzle has no sources in our Roots Magic file, but we can see that there are 15 sources listed in FamilySearch that we can move into our software. Now that we have all of the information we want in Roots Magic, we can create a GEDCOM file. Begin by selecting the word File from the top left-hand corner of the screen, and from the drop-down menu that will appear, select Export. From this screen, you just need to select which items you want included in your GEDCOM file and hit OK. We need to name the file and make note of where it's saved on our computer so we'll be able to locate it and upload it to the websites that we want to, or to share it with someone else. Now let's go through the same process in Legacy Family Tree 9. We begin by selecting New File, and then selecting Download My Family from FamilySearch. We want to select this first option. It says, I want to sign into FamilySearch to download what the church has about me and my ancestors. We name the file. We'll log into FamilySearch at this point. Now, if it seems like it's taking a long time for this screen to change, the screen actually may be hidden behind this menu. So if you look down on the toolbar and you can check for the green icon that is the Legacy Family Tree icon, and if you click that one, it will take you to the next step. We'll use James F. Monroe once again and select him as our starting point. We'll select the number of ancestors and descendants that we want to download. Here's the Monroe family information populated in Legacy Family Tree 9. And you can see here's James F. Monroe listed as a child with his parents. Once again, this importing process strips the sources from the individuals. So to move those sources over to Legacy Family Tree, we select My Toolbar at the top of the page and then FamilySearch. On this screen, we make sure that we choose the Source tab, and that will allow us to move those sources that are listed in FamilySearch over into Legacy Family Tree 9. Now that we have all of the information we want in Legacy Family Tree 9, we can create the GEDCOM file. Make sure that you're on the File tab by clicking the word File in the top left-hand corner and then finding the icon for Export. Once you've done that, this screen comes up that will allow you to choose what information you want included in your GEDCOM. Then we save the file and make note of where it's saved to so we can share it with others or upload it to a website. Thank you for joining us today. We hope that this was a helpful overview of downloading small groups from FamilySearch into our genealogy software. The BYU Family History Library has many more resources for you. We also have information about our Sunday classes, our in-depth webinars, and our short family history researched videos. We hope to see you in the library soon. Have a great day, everyone.